Lex is selling her tie-dye shirts. Let's go, Lex. Let's go. Let's make it. We got a little blue going on. Whoa, what color? That is blue, right?
Mm-hmm.
Dang. That's some deep, dark blue. Sunny. It's about to rain out here. So what's the rubber bands for?
Just put it together.
Hmm?
Just to separate the colors.
Separate the colors.
Mm-hmm.
So how many different colors you got? Is that it? Just blue and red?
And purple. Like this guy fill it up more.
Do you got any more purple color? Yeah?
No.
No, that's it. My battery's about to go dead, so we'll probably get the final situation when she's done.
Done with.
We'll post it on the World Wide Web, sissy.
Sure. And I can just.
Here, for your colors only, I can put on there.
Mm-hmm.
I can put the description or let me see you put two colors on. Are they supposed to cross over like that? Like that blue cross over the rubber band?
But you can make a crossover. You don't have to.
Oh, okay. You can be strict about it.
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna blend in eventually, I guess.
Yep. And they'll just blend in like eventually. Pink. And pink.
Is that pink? Oh wow, it is pink. Fluorescent pink, actually. Maybe not fluorescent. It's hot pink. It's very vibrant pink.
Mm-hmm.
So those are the three colors: pink, purple, and blue. As you can see, very colorful. If you want a tie-dye shirt, just text you want one, and we'll find out how to get it to you. Right, sissy?
Yep.
All right. You want to say bye? Peace.